bike check. Okay, I'm Tom Layden, Hicks Cap's partner. This is my bike check. Front wheel, Alex Trim's FR30, the Maxxis DTH tyre, and of course Hex Cap, valve cap, Mazaki Bomber DJ, past the max 130 psi, 12 volume spacers, which is also the max, Hex Cap sticker bar, Hex Cap sticker, Renthal Fatboy bars, oh no, not just Renthal Fat bar, I think, audio long neck grips, bit of tape, throttle grip laid as well, tidal cables and tidal gyro, Avid MTB caliper, strand level rotor, diode stem, and of course the Hex Cap. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, the boys. And then we also have a Mission BMX lever, snappy gyro, Canyon Stitch 360, just the regular one, the old title seat. So it's a lot. Thick on the back we have a specialized P3 rim. Yeah, it always comes loose, like every 2 seconds, and the sprocket always comes loose. Oh, and just some random chain as well, it's not the stock chain. Diode death traps, race face cranks, Maxxis high roller, and of course the Hex Cap sticker. Okay, thank you for watching, and